Hey everybody, Gene Daughtry, the old buy here, pay here guy, talking a little bit more about helping you with some of these vehicles. Uh, Today I'm going to talk a little bit about a Juke, Nissan Juke, where we have an example of a auction house that purchased some of the product from Jilcat. And Jilcat has a product out there that is specifically for automatic transmissions. They have a product for regular automatic transmissions, and they have a product for the CVT automatic transmission, which is in the Nissan Juke. And we had a auction house that we have sold some product to that put a bottle of the Jilcat Proline automatic transmission for CVT into this 2013 Juke. The Juke had a terrible vibration in it. They weren't sure what they were going to do. They really didn't want to have to replace the transmission. And so they tried this conditioner. They drove it about 40 miles. The vibration subsided while they were driving it. They were absolutely flabbergasted by how that worked. And there is several other vehicles that we have tested it in, but I wanted to mainly mention the Juke because of how quickly it helped solve the problem. And that vehicle is no longer an issue. The transmission that they were thinking they were going to have to just replace, they didn't have to worry about. So check out Jilcat Proline products at www.jilcatproline.com. They have a conditioning product, a sludge fighting product that are combined together that will help you with engines, transmissions, diesels, differentials, power steering, anything that is internally lubricated. There's a Jilcat product that will help solve the problem and get you a lot more life out of it.